Bata pa ako, senador na ito. At hindi siya basta ordinaryong senador. In fact, nung ako'y kusihan, isa sa mga itinaguyod kong batas bilang lokal na magbabatas, yung what you call the Lina Law, the Urban Development Housing Bill. At yun ay hindi ko lang kasi nga batas, nabigyan naman ako ng pagkakataon ng alkalde, isinapuso ko naman yung kanyang tinaguyod. Kaya nakakabalita sa Maynila ng in-city vertical housing program. Kaya rapakan natin ang ating President, Senator Joey Lina. Sayang, ano? Ito yung mga kailangan natin sa Senado. But I'm happy to see again. Malusog na malusog, malakas na malakas. Dating ES, Secretary Miguel Dea, Sir, we're happy to see you again. Ito wala ang mistake. We're happy that you're okay. Maganda na. Malakas na malakas si Secretary. Sa ating Manila Hotel family, to our partners in national government, BOT, and IA, lalo-lalo na ang IA, na matutuwa yan. Pagka nagkakuluyan na yung napag-usapan namin ni Presidente Marcos, to make and create new Central Park in Manila. We'll bring New York in Manila. Adjacent to Manila Hotel. Kaya yung mga dalaga ng Manila Hotel, malamang dyan kayo magdidate ng mga jowa ninyo. Because we will bring it back, the idea of your city government, and hopefully with the help of the national government, to give it back to the people. Not for a few one, but for everyone. And this type of open green space that we wanted is for our great-grandchildren. Because later on, whether we like it or not, maraming ipanganganak, maraming mangangailangan ng espasyo. Ang mundo'y hindi lumalaki, ang populasyon ay dumarami. The more we can offer as bilang pamana sa ating mga salinlaing pagdating ng araw, to have a cleaner, maliwalas at panatag na syudad. And it's gonna bring more foot traffic in the city of Manila with that kind of open green space outside of Intramuros, or what you call now the golf course. Sa mga nag-golf, pasensya na kayo. Marami pa naman magandang ng golf course sa ibang lugar. We should make this space for our people, for general public. Kaya, yawa Diyos. Because I'm very excited to tell you this. Pagkat an hour ago, after 2 weeks of preparation, we're going to go back to the President and present now 2 weeks thereafter of the general plan of garden in the middle of the city. Through the help of the people of Singapore, who work with National Park in Singapore. We already have the master plan about an hour or two ago. Kaya Eric, para po sa inyo, ikaw makasaysayan na Manila Hotel, lalong aaliwala sa mga paligiran at magiging lalawin, pasyali ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino at mga Banyaga. But now, today, we're about to light up Manila Hotel in line with our celebration. I think we have the longest celebration in the world. Maaga tayo nagsisimula. Yung ibang kultura, yung ibang lahi, 2 araw lang. Tayo 3 buwan ang Pasko sa Pilipinas. But we are happy to have that kind of culture, that kind of tradition. Natutuwa tayo kasi bagamat marami tayong sulit suliraning personal o ekonomikal. No? Pero pag nagsindi na ang ilaw at islap ng Pasko, nagbibigay ito ng maaliwalas na outlook and vibes to our community and to everyone. So today we are very grateful. Ang Manila Hotel ay pangungunahan ang pagsindi at islap ng tala dito sa Maynila sa makasaysayang Manila Hotel. Palakpakan po natin ang Manila Hotel. To those who are watching and going to watch this, please come and visit us in Manila. Marami kaming pasyalan dito. Ako, lalo na, pumunta kayo ng Intramuros, you will be amazed. It is not the way it is before. Marami ng makabagong pasyalan, maliwalas na kainan, ligtas na paglalakbay. Sa loob ng Intramuros, through the leadership of DOT and Intramuros administration. We are very happy and proud of them, taking care of one of the jewels of the city of Manila. And in our own little way, through the leadership of former Congressman Crystal Bagachi as our tourism of Manila, we will align ourselves with the private sector like Manila Hotel, with the national government and your local government. Pipilitin namin, magbubuti kami na we are going to act in synchrony, in unison, so that no waste of money and resources na parang mapapariwala na lamang dahil hindi nagpapanapanagpo o napag-uusap-usap ang mga programa. Sa aming mga mamamayan, ito lamang po masasabi ko bilang panghuli. Welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Halina kayo, bumalik kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila at muli ninyong alalahanin ang inyong mga karanasan nung panahon na kayo mga bata pa o nag-aaral pa dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. Sa aming mga immigrants, OFW, come, visit first Manila Hotel. Because from Manila Hotel, we're going to sleep and enjoy. Just across, you walk in front of this building, you see Intramuros, then you go to Esplanade, and after Esplanade, you go to Roseros Park, and after Roseros Park, you go to Metropolitan Theater, from Metropolitan Theater, you go to Cartilla, from Cartilla, you go to National Museum, dalawa na magandang museum namin, courtesy of the national government. At pwede na po kayong magpagulong-bulong muli sa damuhan. Naalala niyo ba yun? Nang nangangalawin pa kayo ng jowa ninyo, namamasyal na walang pera doon sa Luneta, because maliwalas na muli ang Luneta. Sooner or later, lahat of everyone, private sector, national government, manatag kayo, pipilitin namin inaway na muli, maibalik ang kakalyagan ng ating lungsod na minamahal. But, let me take this opportunity also to ask you, please, tulungan nyo naman kami. Tulungan nyo kami magpusang disiplina. Tulungan nyo kami maging malinis. Pagtulong-tulong tayo. What I ask from you is simple task. Just showing care of our environment. Because I, for one, cannot do this alone. But together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw, maligayang Pasko, at sana matagumpay na bagong taon sa lahat ng Pilipino at Manileño. Magandang araw po. Thank you.